Did you know you can turn any regular bike into a full electric ride in just 10 seconds? Hey everyone, I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech, the place where we explore gadgets that are not just cool, but genuinely useful. Today I've got an incredible lineup of tech toys and tools, some futuristic, some just plain fun, but all guaranteed to make you go, whoa, I need that. Let's jump right in.
Ever wished your morning ride to work didn't leave you drenched in sweat? That's exactly what the Kamingo kit solves. This sleek gadget converts your normal bicycle into a full-fledged electric bike in about 10 seconds. No wires, no complex installs. Just clip on the motor unit near your back wheel, slide in the battery that hides inside your bottle cage, and you're ready to roll. The motor peaks at around 750 watts, giving you just the right push for hills or long commutes. You can switch between assist mode, where it helps your pedaling, or cruise mode, where the motor does all the work. One full charge gets you roughly 90 kilometers. That's more than enough for daily rides without breaking a sweat. What's awesome is how discreet it is. Your bike still looks like a normal ride, but secretly, it's got superpowers. Plus, the battery doubles as a USB-C power bank to top up your phone while you ride. Imagine turning your vintage or mountain bike into a smart e-bike in seconds. That's Kamingo. Alright, time to switch from functional to fun. You're sitting in traffic, bored out of your mind. You look at your dashboard, and there's a tiny panda skating in circles. Yes, meet the car dashboard skating panda, a hilarious and oddly satisfying dashboard toy that moves as your car vibrates or when sunlight hits it. It's powered by a small solar cell. No batteries, no cords, just light or motion. The panda spins or skates depending on the model, and it's weirdly therapeutic to watch. Drivers say it actually reduces stress during long drives, kind of like a visual fidget toy for your car. Stick it on your dashboard, and every time you hit a bump or ray of sunshine, your panda buddy starts grooving. A simple gadget, but it adds a dose of personality and positivity to your everyday ride. And who doesn't need a little dancing panda cheering them on? Let's be honest, staying fresh while traveling or camping can be tough. That's where Pit Shower comes in. This little handheld device is the world's first portable underarm shower. Instead of just masking odor with deodorant, it actually cleans your skin anytime, anywhere. It uses a small pump and dual filter system to spray clean water through a soft, rotating brush head. You just fill the tank, press the button, and it gently rinses away sweat and bacteria. It's powered by a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery that lasts up to 15 uses per charge. Perfect for travelers, gym lovers, delivery drivers, anyone who needs a quick refresh on the go. And yes, it's hygienic. It filters water, uses BPA-free materials, and fits easily in your bag. You could be hiking on a long flight or in your car before a meeting. Pit Shower keeps you confident without needing a full bathroom.
Now, let's talk about productivity, because once you've tried working with multiple screens, it's hard to go back. Enter the FlipGo Horizon by JSAUX, a dual-screen portable monitor that turns your laptop into a powerhouse workstation. You get two 15.6-inch Full HD displays that magnetically attach to a foldable stand. You can stack them vertically, spread them horizontally, or even rotate them in portrait mode. They're bright, crisp, and only take a single USB-C cable to power. It's perfect for video editors, designers, students, or anyone who wants more workspace without lugging around a desktop setup. Imagine being at a cafe. Your laptop's in the middle and two extra screens folding out from behind it like futuristic wings. You're editing on one, referencing notes on another, and your main screen stays clutter-free. That's next-level multitasking, and once you use it, you'll never want to work with one screen again. Next up, something that's just pure fun. the RC lighting truck. Think of your childhood remote control car, now supercharge it with LED lights, a beefy motor, and full suspension. This truck isn't just fast, it glows. Every spin of the wheels lights up neon colors across its body, making nighttime racing feel like a sci-fi chase scene. It's built tough. Big wheels, waterproof body, and long-range controller. Some versions even sync the lighting effects to speed. The faster you go, the brighter it shines. Perfect for outdoor races, night events, or just showing off to friends. It's a gadget that reminds us tech doesn't always have to be serious. Sometimes it's about unleashing your inner kid, and this truck does exactly that. All right, gearheads, this one's for you. Meet the titanium EDC multi-tool splits, a compact tool that's tough, versatile, and beautifully engineered. Made from aerospace-grade titanium, it's corrosion-resistant, lightweight, and basically indestructible. What makes it special is the split design. Two halves that magnetically attach or detach. Together, they act as a wrench, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Split them apart, and they turn into a phone or tablet stand. It's simple, clever, and endlessly useful. Whether you're fixing a loose screw, cracking open a drink, or watching a movie hands-free, this little multi-tool has your back. Minimalist design meets maximum function, and if you love quality EDC gear, this is one you'll want on your keychain forever.
If you've ever had a tablet fall on your face while lying in bed, you'll appreciate this one. The TabLift Max Pro is a flexible, universal tablet stand that finally solves the "how do I hold this thing comfortably" problem. It's got 4 bendable legs that you can wrap, fold, or prop anywhere on your bed, couch, desk, or airplane tray. Just clip in your tablet, adjust the viewing angle, and you're set. Whether you're binge-watching shows, drawing, or reading, it holds your device steady and hands-free. It's compatible with almost any tablet, from iPads to Galaxy Tabs, and it folds flat for easy storage. If comfort and convenience had a baby, it would be the TabLift Max Pro. Now, let's add a little light to your workspace, literally. The DePaul D1 is a futuristic desk lamp that blends smart tech with sleek design. It features adjustable lighting that automatically adapts to your surroundings, reducing eye strain during long work hours. It's got gesture control. Wave your hand to turn it on or adjust brightness. You can also switch color temperatures, set ambient mood lighting, or use it as a wireless phone charger. It's minimal, elegant, and looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the best part? It learns your preferences over time, automatically setting your favorite light mode when you start working. It's not just a lamp, it's lighting that thinks. If you're tired of glass slabs and miss real buttons, you'll love the Oni Hertz Titan 2. This rugged smartphone revised the classic QWERT keyboard, but with all the modern specs you expect in 2025. You get a square 4.5-inch display, a secondary screen on the back for quick notifications, and a 50-megapixel main camera. Under the hood, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, 5G, and a massive 5050 mAh battery. It runs Android 15 and feels like a productivity beast in your hand. The keyboard isn't just nostalgic, it's smart. You can assign shortcuts to each key, type with accuracy, and navigate menus faster than ever before. And because it's built rugged, it can handle drops, dust, and rain without a worry. It's the smartphone for people who still believe buttons are better.
Let's end with something lighthearted. Solar dancing animals. Tiny solar-powered figurines that dance when light hits them. They come in all shapes. Pandas, cats, dogs, frogs, you name it. No batteries, no switches, just sunlight and a smile. Stick them on your car dashboard, office desk, or windowsill, and they'll gently sway all day long. It's the simplest form of solar tech, but it somehow makes people happy. Sometimes the best gadgets aren't about power or features, they're about joy. And these little dancing buddies deliver that perfectly. Which gadget amazed you most? Tell me below, hit subscribe, and stay curious.
More awesome tech coming soon.